In this Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to upscale low resolution images to higher resolution without losing a detail. As you can see here, this is the AI enhanced version. It brought back all the detail before and after. Now we have a couple examples to illustrate these, so let's get to the video. Now, first of all, I would want to show you the image resolution of the current image that I have opened in Photoshop. As you can see here, it is 800 and 1200. Now, what you want to do here is go to filter and then go to neural filter. Now, by the way, of course, first of all, you would have to download this filter once you open up. If you have installed the Photoshop and never used this, first you have to download this. Now, the filter that you would be playing here is called the superzoom. If you hover over it, as you can see here, it's showing you that it can play around, trying to bring the details from the low resolutions. Now, what I want to do here is to increase the size of this image through AI 4 times, which means that it will increase the resolution of this image 4 times of the current one, which was 800 and 1200. As you can see here, if I try to zoom this, it looks really good. Now, of course, not every image has a face, but if your image have a face, you can check this. It would try to increase the face details. As you can see here, it really kind of bring back the details. Now, if you would like to, you can also play around here with the sharpen and nice details. Sometimes it might deteriorate the details, but you can play around with this slider in order to bring it. Now, what you want to do here is that if you are done with it, you can then output as a new document. Now, the artifacts, I kind of forget about this. The artifact kind of allow you to get rid of some of those detail if disoriented while upscaling the whole image, but you can play around with it. Anyway, so once you're done with it, you can output a new document. Now, the Photoshop will automatically open the image in a new document with higher resolution. Now, if I try to go image in image size, it has a 3200 and 400 resolution, which compared to the previous one. Now, if you zoom into the detail, as you can see here, it's really, beautifully upscaled with the details. Now, compared to the old one, which was, you can see here, it's a little upscale, and it's low resolutions. Of course, it would be pixelated, but this one has a way more higher resolutions. Now, let me show you with another example, by the way. That way, it would be way more demonstrating for you. As you can see here, this image, if I try to zoom it, it's become too pixelated. It has a 1080 resolution and 1300. Now, of course, if I wanted to upscale it, it would be really amazing if I wanted to. If what I would do again, go to super zoom, the neural filter, and increase the zoom image size to 4 times. This all process on your device, by the way, so it doesn't run on cloud right away. It's run on your system. Now, as you can see here, it's really upscaled the image with minor detail have been kind of disoriented, but you can play around here with the artifacts to remove JPEG artifacts in order to make it way more smoother. As you can see here, it's really fantastic and amazing. Now, since this image has a face, by the way, I can enhance the face details and play around with the sharpen and noise reduction slider in order to make it way more clear and better in terms of details. Now, as you can see here, it's really amazing. Like, it's beautifully upscaled. Now, the other thing is once you're done with it, again, you would just simply create it, output as a new document. If I try to drag it to the example 2 and show you the details, you can see here it has gone the detail, but it kind of brought it back, which is amazing. As you can see here, the resolution is 4000 and 5000, which is amazing, by the way, compared to the 1080p, which it was before. Now, the other thing is that, as you can see here, this detail is too harsh, and I would using her clone stem tool here, which would then trying to soften it a little to make it way more, equal with the rest of the detail, because it's too harsh. Now, just simply take it sample from the rest of the cheeks area and then, trying to fade it with the rest of the details of the face and texture. So, yeah, I think Now, if you would like to, of course, you can play around here with the opacity of that layer. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and bring the bell notification for upcoming more videos. So I think I will see you in the next video. Peace out.